What's up, guys? This is 5.2 liter. In today's video I really want to show you guys all the performance mods that I have done, as I get a lot of questions what my exhaust setup is, what have I done to the car. So I just want to give you a quick insight. It's going to be a pretty short video. Just want to show you all the performance mods, go over them, and whether I like or not like them. So as you guys can see, we got a few different things than the stock GT350. Starting with the induction, we have a JLT intake here that's wider and less restrictive compared to the original OEM component here, and I really like the looks of it. I like the red, as I have a few red decals on the car. I think it really looks a lot better than the standard paper filter, which comes in like a yellowish color. Fairly simple to install, so you guys can do that by yourself if you decide to go that route. Then leading into the throttle body, just looks stock, but it's a ported 91 millimeter throttle body. I got this from Solar Performance. I do feel a difference. It feels like the car gets more air, more airflow coming in, and the shifts feel a lot better, I must say. My buddy got that Solar Performance throttle body before me, and he was pulling on me when we were on the highway, so I really needed to get that. But really what it is, it's basically a stock or OEM throttle body, but they just basically open it up to 91 millimeter, and that's where the really difference comes from. So other than that, from an induction side, that's the only mods that I have done. No pro supercharge or anything. And the next thing is going to be my ProFlex commander right here. This is basically the control module here. You see underneath here, it's kind of hidden and tucked in. It kind of looks OEM the way I put it in, or I want to believe so at least. You see this is a harness that attaches to all your injectors, and there is right here, there is a module which basically or a sensor that measures the ethanol content. So it's a real flex harness, so you can run E85 but also 93, so really any mixture of the two as well. If you decide you want to mix it on the daily base, you can do that. So basically what this is, it measures the ethanol content, as I explained, and I can make a separate video about this if you guys are interested, but it will then inject fuel differently based off of that. And yeah, it's super simple. This really is a cool mod, because I really like running E85. They have proven dyno tests on this, and it really puts more power to the street, so really liking this as well. And the combination with this, usually the GT350s, they like to dip in on the power scheme at probably around 7800 RPM, maybe a little bit before that, but with the JLT I can really feel at 7500 and 7800, or even over 8000. I still feel it pulling, and with the E85 it really opens up the car. Then down here we can see, maybe you can see it, I do have StainlessWorks headers. I post a lot about that, so you probably know, but I really like those headers. They make the car really breathe a lot better. They really open it up after like 4000 RPM. The car just screams. Really liking these. And yeah, they are catted. They do come with high flow cats. Other than that, performance wise, that is it that you can see here from the engine bay. Only other thing that I did here is that Mishimoto coolant tank. I really like the looks of it. Fairly simple to install, but yeah, that's really all my performance mods in here. If we want to look on the inside, I have my N gauge right here, and that's how I load and unload my tunes. If you want to consider it, the wheels could also be a performance mod. I can make a separate video about those as well, but they are a lot lighter than the OEM wheels. And oh, one thing that I didn't mention, I do have also a resonator delete. It's an X pipe, so that will of course also open up the car more, potentially help you with a couple more horsepower or so. But yeah, so obviously running a tune on this car, have a 93 tune on it with that N gauge. But yeah, if you guys are interested what these mods cost me, what you are looking at, if you are deciding to go with any of these, just let me know, and yeah, I'll tune in with you guys again. Stay loud.